So let's start a new pattern, right? So in the previous case, what happened here, by using the small patterns, finally we have done the little bit complex big pattern, right? With the digits. Now let us try some different pattern with the stars, guys. Little bit big one. So first we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, 1, 2, 3. Next one, 1, 2, and then one pattern like this. Allah observe. This is not the combination of two or more. It's simple one, guys. It's a normal one. Normal because initially we done the some patterns with the stars. It is normal. Which one? First five, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? Okay. But here this is different now. This is different. If you observe the above star patterns and this pattern, this is a difference is there here. This is difference, right? Okay. The previous cases, first to star, 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 right? Like that. And exactly below the star, take the one more star, like this. Exactly below. Exactly below, we are taking the stars in the previous case. Like this. Exactly below, taking the star. But not now. But now, not exactly below. It's in middle of the in the middle of the two stars, taking the a new line star, guys. The above line between two stars, below taking the one star. So this format, okay. First, let us try this one. Pull up in the new paint. Right, all of you observe. Right. So the same one, all of you observe here. Now, when I take the I values, first I is 1 commonly, I is 2, I is 3, I is 4, and then I is 5, I is 5. Right. Okay, this is the pattern, right? So when I is 1, when I is 2, when I is 3, when I is 4, when I is 5, right? When I is 5. Okay, right. So now the I iterations over. I iterations over. Now, so here when I value 1, so star repeating 5 times. When I value 2, star repeating how many times? 4 times, then 3 times, then 2 times, then 1 time. That means first time 5 times, second time one space coming, one space coming, all of you. Next one, two spaces coming here, two normal spaces coming, all of you observe. Two spaces coming. Next, three spaces coming, right? Three spaces coming here. Next, four spaces coming. All of you, how many spaces? Four spaces coming, guys. Okay, right? So this is what we do now. For spaces, we use the J iteration, J loop, and then we use here K loop. We use here K loop. Okay, all of you observe. Now, when I'll take the iterations, we'll take the iterations. When I is 1, at that time, what is the J, then what is the K. Okay, when I is 1, then J iterating uh, no times, then K iterating how many times? 5 times K iterating. How many times? 5 times. Okay, 5 times K iterating. When I value 1. When I value 2, then J iterating only one time, one space coming, right? Then K, how many times? 4 times iterating. Means 4 stars coming there. When I value 3, J iterating 2 times, and here, and K iterating how many times? 3 times. When I value 4, J iterating uh, 3 times, means 1, 2, 3. 3 times K iterating just 1, 2. 2 times start coming. When I value 5, then J iterating I mean 4 times, right? J iterating 4 times, guys, and K iterating only 1 time, like this. All of you. This is what we do. This is what we do. Let us try now. Let us try now. I'll open ideally. This is the last pattern. That is the 38. Pattern 39, right? So let's take input of enter n number of rows. Then we'll take the eval, then n equal to, right, n equal to. Now for I in range of for I in range of for I in range of this is the common n plus 1, so 5 times iterating. So I'll take the j loop for displaying what displaying the spaces, right? First time no iterations, so I'll take here I plus 1. Why I plus 1 means when I value 1, j, how many times iterating now? So starting 1, ending 1 plus 1, 2, 2 before 1, so 2 before 1, all of you. So means 1 to 1 means one time iterating, right? I don't want one time also. Let's take the I. So start value 1, end value I is 1. 1 before 0, 1 to 0. So no iterations. So no iterations. When I value 2, then starting 1, ending 2, I value 2, 2 before 1. So 1 to 1 means one time iterate like this. When I value 3, okay, then so ending value 3, 3 before 2, so 1, 2 will return, means 2 times iterate. When I value 4, end value 4, 4 before 3 means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 times iterate. When I value 4, the same case 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times iterate. And each time what I want display, I want display the space. And equal to space again, and equal to space. And I take this one here, right? Now let us try. I am giving the 5. All of you. So here, what is happening? The space is displaying. For checking purpose, we'll take this one. I am giving the 5, right? All of you. But here, small change required. Small change required about the spaces. What is that change? We'll see later. Later understand very easily. Now, Let's go for which one next k guys. Okay, we'll go for what? We'll go for next loop k in range of. So first time k how many times it iterates 5 times. Each time display star. So 5 times means starting 1, ending 5, next to 4, next to 3, next to 2, next to 1. So I take n. If I take ending value 1, n means n means what? 5. 5 before 4. Only 4 times will come. I'll take now n plus 2 minus I like this. So n plus 2 means what? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 5. 6, 6 before 5. So 5 times iterate, right? It iterates 5 times, guys. It iterates 5 times, okay? 5 times iterates. When I value 1, k iterates 5 times. How many times? 5 times, okay? All of you 5 times means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times iterate. Okay. Next, when I value 2, when I value 2, 2, okay. So n plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 2, 5, 5 before 4. So 4 times iterate. 4 times iterate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. Okay. Next, when I value 3, at that time only 3 times iterates. When I value 4, only 1 time iterate. When I value 5, only, sorry, 1 time, right? So first 5 times, then 4 times, then 3 times, then 2 times, then 1 time iterating. Each time what is displaying? Star displaying, right? So print of star displaying end equal to what? End equal to empty space. Empty space, that's all. Then we take the printer. We take the printer. Now let's take the file. Let's take the file. Right. Now all of observe. We're taking the space iPhone, right? Take the space. Take the space. Yes. You can see now. All of if you observe, we got the required output with a small change. With a small change. All of observe here. So I want this requirement. Which one? 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2, 1 only. But same came. First 5 came, then 4 came, then 3 came, then 2 came, and 1 came. Right, 1 came. But where the change is required? Where the change is required? Because the looking wise both are different, right? This is different. This is different pattern looking wise. So the thing is all of observe and the second time, see, so one space, two spaces coming, right? All of you, two spaces displaying, yes or no, right? Okay, but I want to display only one space only, so that the star will move to before. The star move to before, guys. The star move to before. That means, what do I do? I remove the empty space. I remove the empty space. Now you can see here. That's all. All of you observe here. All of you observe. All of you observe here. So first time j value no space, right? No iterations. Second time j value 1 means one time j iterating means that one time space not displaying here. Here actually before space, right? That one time space not displaying. Next j2 means two times space not displaying. That's why coming here. Next j3 three times space not displaying. This space, right? This space three times not displaying. That's why that is moving forward like that. It also like that. It also like that. Alright, right? So if you take the space, okay, if you take the space, when I value 1, at that time no change, no spaces, no iteration. When I value 2, then so one space plus here space, two spaces will come, right? Two spaces will come, guys. When I value 3, then J1, J2. When I J1, two spaces. When J2, again two spaces. Four spaces coming. When I value 4, then J attends 3 times. Means again, so when J1, two spaces. When J2, two spaces. When J3, two spaces. Okay, but if you remove this one, all of you, if you don't take this one, then so when I value what 2, then only j at one time, only one space coming now. When I value 3, J2 times iterating, only two spaces coming. When J1, one space. When J2, another space like this. Okay, the spaces decrease, guys. That's all. Now, all of you guys, this understand, right? Okay, right. Now,